everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy stories, and today I talk about Skeem Saam. Guys, everyone is asking where are Skeem Saam writers going with this storyline? Siga Khwezi, no Lehasa, no Pretty. Well guys, Khwezi received a call from Lehasa who want her to come and live with him and Pretty in his apartment. Khwezi and Pretty guys do not get along because they have a bad history together, and she tried to kill Pretty. If she have done it before guys, she'll do it again. Khwezi want her baby to grow with both parents, and at this point Khwezi will do anything to make sure that Lehasa is a part of her life forever. Pretty will need to watch out because Khwezi will make her look bad on everything in front of Lehasa. What Lehasa is doing is very dangerous for all of them guys. He knows how dangerous Khwezi can be. Pretty shall make a decision soon if she wants to leave. She deserves better, and she must not allow Lerato to close her eyes. She must just go back to her mom and apologize. Otherwise, Khwezi will kill her, or she will be arrested for killing Khwezi. Well guys, that's all I have for today. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.